Hey guys, this is Trey Snodgrass, and I want to shoot this quick testimonial clip for the 30-minute Workday system. I actually joined as a member probably about a week or so ago, actually joined by accident. And the reason I say by accident, I am a member and an affiliate of the funnel builder that Nick uses and that he teaches. And I was looking for tips on how to build a new page for one of the programs I was promoting when I stumbled across this system. So I joined as a free member, but when I saw the content and realize the value that Nick provides and how he's put all the information in one place to help a newbie learn how to start earning an income fairly quickly and how to have success in this industry, I knew this was the right place at the right time. So once I joined, it took a day or two to get things set up, only because I was working another program. I had a deadline I had to take care of over there. But when I came here and set everything up, which I was able to do very quickly because of the step-by-step videos, and then when I pushed the traffic button to get the traffic started after the system was set up, my very first day I had well over 100 members who took action and became a member of this system, and they're working their way through it right now, not to mention 3 sales. As a matter of fact, I wanted to show you my screen real quick so that you can see these results for yourself.
All right, so here we are. Just wanted to show you a few of the results real quick. As you can see, this was yesterday. This was Wednesday, April the 29th. Started the traffic at around 9:30, 10 o'clock that morning. And as you can see, these are the members that joined in this little 10 to 12 hour period. Now I'm trying to protect some of the information, the identity of some of the people that joined. But these are actual members. These are people that not only opted into the page, but went a step further and actually created a free account. So the amazing thing about it is they will receive follow-up messages from Nick, from the system, and they'll also be able to receive automated messages from me using the Get Response series that the program teaches us how to use. So I look forward to seeing what happens there. Not to mention, I can provide other valuable resources. That's the key. I can be a resource to them and try to help them along and find out what fits for them. So those are the results there, and here's the autoresponder. As you can see, I have the numbers started coming in so fast, I'd forgotten I hadn't switched over my autoresponder. I still had it connected to my old one. But I had 50 leads on that one alone until I switched it over to the new Get Response. And as you can see, it produced 115, 116 new people that are receiving these follow-up messages. And one thing that's so profound here, I only purchased 200 clicks. So that's over 150 people. That's like 80% response rate. So that means this converts extremely well. And one thing that's so amazing to me is, as you can see right here, there's a 95% click rate of people that are actually opening these emails. So it's not a dead list at all. They actually are engaged with the content, and that's why I love what Nick is providing, because it teaches us how to do this and do it the right way.
So listen, this is very exciting. I haven't even had a chance to follow up with these members just yet. I'm working on some videos to help them, and I plan to reach out to them as well sometime today. But these sales were made without me having to talk to anyone or sell anything. One of them was even made while I was asleep. So they just joined as a free member, watched Nick's videos, joined our support system, and then boom, when they decided to upgrade and become a paid member, I was compensated. It's really that simple. It's really that easy. So listen, the system is amazing. The support is top notch. I tell you, it's so refreshing to see new members get started their first day, and then they have experienced marketers, people who've had major success in this industry, reach out to them and to help them, to walk them step by step and to answer all of their questions. That's a really refreshing thing to see, and lets me know that I can plug in a new member and know that they'll be well taken care of. So a huge shout out to the whole 30-minute Workday team, to Nick, to Mr. Paul Hutchings, Mike Hobbs. They also do a phenomenal job at leadership and providing tools and resources and pouring back into us as affiliates to make sure we have everything needed to have success. So thanks, Nick, for this opportunity. Welcome to all the new team members. I can't wait to hear and see your success story soon. Take care.